It's Saturday on a holiday weekend, and I want to play around with a little encaustic panel here. And these pigment papers I made, oh my goodness, ages ago. So this is just raw pigment on computer paper. And I believe I just rubbed it on the paper and then spritzed some isopropyl alcohol on it, and it just becomes like a transfer paper, which is super cool. And I thought I could use some of my tools here. I've got this cool wire brush, and I have this rounded thing that could be cool. And somewhere I've got I was just using it a second ago, a ball stylus. And I want to experiment with just using raw pigment on the wax and coating it in between. So I want to see how it's going to layer and maybe just get like a cool, I don't know, like I'm thinking about like Cy Twombly's sort of work. So anyways, here's a beautiful sienna. Let's just see what happens. Pretty cool. And then you can just scrape off the fingerprints. You got to watch out for that. A little patience at least. And this is just a test board. I've been playing in the studio all day. Well, all morning. And sometimes you just got to mess around and see what's going to come out. And let's take some of this blue. This is beautiful cobalt blue. And of course you have to kind of draw blind when you do this. But look at those cool marks. And then just take a nice, not too bright a flame, and let's just fuse it in. If you overfuse it, we'll move around. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. And then I think just put another layer and keep layering on the pigment and see what happens. Let it cool for a minute. I don't know. Swear to God, I just had that. Oh, here's my ball stylus. All right. Let's see. I don't think I need to fuse between every single, I'll fuse between every single layer, but I don't think I need to fuse and then put the next layer down, because I think that's just going to be too much fusing. It's going to move the pigment too much. What I really want to see is how it's going to layer. Let's try a lighter color here. Let's try some orange. And maybe just a little, really, I'm going to use the thin. Just try some random writing, kind of cool. I like that. And somewhere I think I've got a really pale. This is titanium. Let's try this. Ooh, I like how it blends. Let's do some more of that. I like how it blends over the darker color. That's pretty rad. Let's fuse that in. I mean, this could end up being just a total mess, but that's just, you know, you got to go in the studio and mess around sometimes and see what happens. And we'll do another layer of wax. Kind of a thick layer because I really want to veil it back. All right, so we've got blue, this gorgeous cobalt blue, and then we've got some ochres. Ooh, I got this beautiful dark. Got a lovely olive. I think this is cobalt mixed with titanium. I honestly don't remember what that is. Maybe this is the blue from Venice. This cool purpley color too. Let's try something light and maybe a bigger. I'm gonna try this spatula, see what happens. Oh, that's awesome. And let's try some more with the yellow. That's pretty cool. And let's see, what do I have that could make an interesting I've got this, got this giant nail. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Kind of random. I mean, you couldn't probably even draw this. All right, and we fuse. Kind of overfuse and make it move a little. That's kind of fun. I have some gold pigment and I have got to make a transfer paper with the gold because that would be incredibly cool. Let's see, do I have anything bright? Not really, because they're all ochre colors, but we have the sienna. We have the blue we could bring forward. And orangier sienna. We got the bright yellow. Oh, we've got this blue too. Let's see. What do I have that could make a cool shape? So much random things in my. Oh, here's this just little inside a tape roller. Let's make some circles. Gotta remember not to press down on the actual wax. Those aren't quite as bright as I'd like, but you know, what can you do? Let's take this orange, and there's just a pizza roller. I mean, this is gonna be a mess, I'm sure. I just want to play and see what happens. I can always, ooh, that is really cool. And got so many random things. Let's see, I've got this big, it's going to just be a big circle. Let's try this. Oh, that's, I guess the metal, you gotta kind of make sure you press down all the way around. That's cool. I like that. Maybe I need to calm down with my fusing. So these are the pigments I made these out of. These are from Sinopia, and I have a whole bunch of earth tones that I got from them. I also have this gold pigment that I bought in Italy, and I have some white, which I have not made transfer paper for, but we're just going to put some on. I don't have much of this titanium left. Kind of brighten it up a little. And then I'm going to bring this blue back. Okay, maybe we'll bring this back again and bring it back to the front. All right, that's pretty cool. Now when you do use raw pigments, you should probably wear a mask. Not so much when it's on the paper, but when it's raw like that, for sure. All right, let's use this bad boy, see what we got. Now this can go down to a very small little. So I'm purposely making some overfused marks just to see what the pigment does when you push it around like this. I mean, it's kind of cool. Well, that is unlike anything I've done so far. I'm not sure I want to put gold on there. I think that's going to make a mess out of everything. But I do think making some gold transfer paper is in my future. Have a great weekend. Make smart.